few years ago, I was in Paris and I visited the famous lounge bar, the Buddha Bar, which originates in Paris itself. Sitting there, I heard a very familiar song, आओ हुजूर तुमको सितारों में ले चलो, दिल झूम जाए ऐसी बहारों में ले चलो. I was shocked. I said, I've heard this song before. As I recalled, I realized it's from Kismat. I went up to the DJ and asked him, where did you get this song from? So he said, no, we've taken the rights from an Indian music company. And these are the first 4 lines that we start off with anywhere in the world, in any Buddha Bar franchisee. That's the popularity of this song.
आओ हुजूर तुमको सितारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसी बहारों में ले चलूं.
Talking about Kismat, the film, I must tell you of a hilarious incident. I find it hilarious. I hope you do too. Manmohan Desai had gone location hunting for his upcoming schedule. Someone suggested, why don't you go to Madhya Pradesh, a hill station called Panchmadi? Nobody has filmed there. You'll be the first and there are beautiful locations. So along with the producer, his assistants, the cameraman, who we now call DOP, reached there. They looked around, fabulous locations. They started marking each scene. We shoot this scene here, this scene here. Then there was a song to be picturized. आँखों में कयामत के काजल, होठों पे गजब की लाली है. Someone suggested there's a beautiful waterfall. Why don't you go and see it? They went the next day, and believe me, the waterfall was superb. Cascading water, lovely rock formation, beautiful flowers around, greenery. So they were all excited and they said, this is the place. Here's where you're going to do the song. Returned back to Mumbai. 3 to 4 months later, they went back. They shot a few scenes. And it was the day the song was supposed to be picturized. So they all went to the waterfall. There was no waterfall. Means there was no water. Everybody was aghast. My father said, isn't this the place we saw? He said, yes. They called the locals and they said, where is the water? He said, sir, it's seasonal. When it rains, when we have good rainfall, there is water. But this time, there have been very poor rains, so there is no water. Now what do? Manmohan Desai had a brainwave. He told the producer, get as many water tankers you can from the hill station and also from the city below. That's the only way. So they bought tons of buckets, almost 100 buckets. They hired 100 locals, young boys, who were behind the waterfall. They filled up buckets, and when they said action, these boys used to throw water and the water started cascading below. And that's how you got the waterfall. They shot the song, and believe me, nobody till date knows that there were boys behind who were throwing the water. It still looked beautiful.
सदके मैं तुम्हारी बाहों के जो आग लगा दे पानी में, सदके मैं तुम्हारी बाहों के जो आग लगा दे पानी में.
Do you know how the iconic song Kajra Mohabbat Wala Akhiyon mein aisa dala Gajre ne le li meri jaan? How did it come about? My father took me to a fair when I was 7 years old. The fair was called Dreamland. It was a huge fair in a Maidan where there was a puppet show. The highlight of the puppet show was the man dressed as a woman and the woman dressed as a man. They are fighting as if they are husband-wife, and there's a commentary from behind the scenes. My father had also wanted to, in the fair, check out if he could film the villains chasing the hero-heroine, and the shooting would have been candid. They would really shoot without having to get what we call junior artists or of our own crowd to make it look real. Coming back from the fair, he had an idea. He said, what if the villains enter the tent and the hero-heroine are also in the tent, but they go behind the scenes and wear a get-up where the heroine is the guy and the hero wears the heroine's clothes. So it's man dressed as a woman, woman dressed as a man. He went to O.P. Nayyar. He said, sir, I've got this sequence. Give me something which is fantastic. He composed the song Kajra Mohabbat Wala.
कजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला कजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान.
And everybody freaked out. Sung by Shamshad Begum and Asha Bhosle. Till date, it remains a chartbuster.
आओ हुजूर तुमको सितारों में ले चलूं दिल झूम जाए ऐसी बहारों में ले चलूं.
सदके सदके मैं तुम्हारी बाहों के जो आग लगा दे पानी में. सदके मैं तुम्हारी बाहों के जो आग लगा दे पानी में.
कजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला.
We are going to make a film with a double role.
I was working as a reporter in Vancouver and I got laid off. You get into this stagnation. It was not respectable to be a hairdresser. This industry was extremely frowned upon.
Sometime last year, someone very close to me was diagnosed with cancer.